Hello everyone, مرحبا. Heba here واليوم حابة أحكي عن الهارت شاكرا أو الأناهاتا شاكرا. الهارت شاكرا هي الانرجي سنتر اللي موجود بمنطقة التشاست الهارت، قريب من الكارديوفاسكولار سيستم، الريسبيراتوري سيستم، الرواية، وكمان لأنه الطاقة it radiates in all directions. so كمان الهارت شاكرا it radiates to the thoracic spine اللي هي المنطقة الأعلى من سلسلة الظهر. الهارت شاكرا عندها المين element هو element of air، الهواء. والهارت شاكرا has this symbol as you can see here. والهارت شاكرا اللون الطاغي بالهارت شاكرا هو لون الطاقة، يعني الطاغي هو اللون الأخضر. That's why it's very important to have like greenery or to just observe greenery from time to time or to be in nature. هنا I like to relate patients اللي عندهم hypertension أو عندهم مشاكل بالضغط ومشاكل بالقلب. They are always recommended to sit in nature to observe green spaces. and كمان studies have shown إنه وقتها نحن نقعد بالطبيعة أكتر بيكون في balance بالبلد pressure أفضل. Energy of the heart chakra هي energy of love and compassion. And when we say energy of love and compassion, it's not only toward others, بس كمان هي تجاه نفسنا. لأنه we need to love ourselves مزبوط قبل ما نقدر نحب غيرنا. لأنه إذا ما حبينا نفسنا مزبوط ما بنقدر نكفي بمحبة غيرنا، لأنه بنوصل لمطرح we are drained، بنتعب كتير، لأنه بنكون عم نعطي وعم نعطي بذات الوقت ما عم ناخد نحن شيء، ما عم نهتم نحن بحالنا. ف love and compassion are very important to activate this heart chakra, and we need كمان to know that we need to have the balance in the heart chakra. Why we need to have the balance? لأنه imbalance of heart chakra, like deficiency of heart chakra, will feel like we are not worth of self-love, we are not worth of love from others, we are not worth كمان of a position نحن أخذناها بالشغل, we are not worth of the health given to us أو حتى abundance given to us from the universe. بنحس حالنا إن نحن ما بنستاهل شيء عنا إياه بحياتنا، ومثل كأنه كل شيء كتير علينا. والover activation of this chakra الهارت شاكرا بنحس نحن بpossessiveness، بنحس بjealousy، وبنحس كأنه نحن we own the people, we own our family, we own our kids, we own our partner, we own our boyfriend, girlfriend, or our husband or wife. While in fact we do not own anyone, we do not even own our kids, we do not own anyone. We need just to send love to ourselves and send love to others. This is about like balance and imbalance of heart chakra. How to stimulate the heart chakra? في several methods to just stimulate the balance of the heart chakra. أول شيء affirmation، هو affirmation مثل ترديد نحن بنردده لحالنا، فينا نكتبه على بوستر، نكتبه على تليفوننا، نردده كل نهار أو خلال الأسبوع in order to stimulate the balance of heart chakra. وهي affirmation هي I am worth of self-love, I am worth of being loved, and I am worth of being appreciated. تنأكد لحالنا أنه نحن نستاهل أن نحب ونحب. Another method to activate أو stimulate the heart chakra غير إنه كمان نحن نقعد بالnature and just نطلع على green spaces وعلى green areas يكونوا very spacious. There is like some poses and some movements we can do اللي هن like back bends and shoulder openers. We can do them at home, anytime, in the park. And these poses and movements, they can open our heart. لأنه إذا نحن بنطلع بالناس اللي عندهم حزن بحياتهم، إذا حدا ميت له حدا جديد أو حدا فقد حدا بحياته، فبنحس إنه هذا tight heart, a tight chest. حتى البوستشر تبعهم بتتغير، فما بتكون البوستشر مثل كأنه their heart is open. That's why we try to do some moves and some heart openers and shoulder openers in order to activate the balance in this heart chakra and to stimulate the heart chakra to be able to have the energy of love and compassion more and more and rise in our heart. Whenever we open our heart to new journeys in our life, we open our heart to new opportunities حتى بتجينا, to new health and wealth تجي على حياتنا. The heart is like the gateway to many things. وكمان we open up كمان to new people, new loving people and loving circles into our lives. Some of the poses, I will do the simple demonstration about the like shoulder openers and back bends. هبلش بالشولder openers, so we can just put the tips of our fingers here on our shoulder. We have the spine straight, the crown or here the head facing up, and we start just rolling our shoulders, rotating, and we feel whenever we like inhale we open up, and we feel like the trapezius من ورا عم بدقوا ببعض، مثل كتافنا من ورا عم بدقوا ببعض, and then inhale and exhale. So this is one heart opener, and we feel like our chest and our heart is expanding with this movement. Another one هي الكاكتس. The cactus pose هي وقت نحن نحط our arms بهذه الطريقة like parallel على the floor, and then we open up, and then we close. Our elbows would be close to each other but they do not touch, and then we open up. We try to open up as much as possible while keeping them parallel, and then we close. Open and close. We repeat this movement like 10 times till we feel like there is really expansion in this heart area. Another كمان pose very nice, a bit like challenging, but it's a really good heart opener, and it is the camel pose. So like this, we just try to push our hips forward. We sit on our knees on the mat or the floor, and we push with our hips forward, and then we take our right hand to the heel and our left hand also to the left heel, and then we just open up our chest or our heart area. So this is known as a camel pose or Ustrasana pose. And this pose helps also in expanding and opening the heart chakra. So that's it regarding the Anahata chakra in brief. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I wish you a very nice day. Thank you.